democratic national chairman of the African Democratic Congress ordered by the Court of Appeal to maintain status quo ante bellum. ADC and the INEC regarding the interpretation of what this original state intend INEC stand with involving the recognition of the current leadership and action by the ADC faction is necessary step to assure that the rules of law is preserved. Despite INEC position, the ADC David Margaret faction has going to proceed with the National Convention and Congresses insisting that internal process should not be suspended. This confidence is not merely a matter of party politics. It is reflect and deeper issue of respect for the rules of law and the principle of the governance of our democracy. We cannot allow political nomads to explore their vulnerability of our party for their gain and integrity of the ADC and the democratic process in Nigeria depend on our commitment to upholding our constitutional framework for the decision of the judiciary. My prayers, as I address today, I argue INEC to place my name on the portal are required by the status quo ante bellum order of the Court of Appeal. This is not just a personal request, it is a plea for the justice, accountability, and adhere to the rules of law. The order and stability within the ADC must rise above the tyranny of political monopoly and focus on what truly matters, the democratic aspiration of the Nigerian people. In conclusion, let us not forget that the ADC was founded on the principle of democracy, exclusivity, and accountability. We urge our members and citizens of Nigeria to motivate this crisis with integrity and resolve the 2027 general election on the horizon, and we must imagine from this turnout stronger, more unity, and committed to the idea that brought us together in the first place. Together we can overturn this challenge and reaffirm our dedication to building a better Nigeria for all. Thank you very much.